What's up, guys? This is Crypto with James talking to you today about Bitcoin Gold. This coin sucks. I don't like it. I don't think it's a good quality crypto. I can't see the point of it. And I'll explain why all these things in the video. Also, look, I think looking at it, it's quite clearly in a long-term downtrend. You can make the argument that it's only been through one bull cycle, but I just don't see this as a valid crypto with potential. I still think it will go up in price, by the way, but I think that's more down to the fact that it's a bull cycle. There'll be a bull cycle coming and it's got the word Bitcoin attached to its name. But I'll explain all that in this video. Before I get into it though, guys, if you're new to the channel, these are the first 26 coins that I did videos about on this channel. In those videos, I showed everyone that was buying up these coins because I thought there were massive profits to be had. And you can see what these coins were worth when I recorded my vids. You can see the highs these coins hit in under 18 months. And if you popped in $100 into each one of them and sold at 18 months on, and that's what I did. I didn't put, it wasn't $100 into each. It was differing amounts, but I sold 18 months on. Now, say you put in 100 in, that's $2,600 investment in total. Selling in 18 months, your net profit would have been over 123 grand. And that is doing barely, that's 18 months. Make between 40 and 50 times your money in 18 months. By the way, we're in that current situation now. In 18 months time, we're in a bull cycle. So now is the time. Now, I've sold all these and since the market crashed, I've been buying up new cryptos. Anytime I buy a crypto, I share with the members on my website, copymycrypto.com, and I'll tell them what coin I'm buying, why I'm buying it, what profits I think that coin can make, and what percentage of my money I'm putting in. When I sell a crypto, I also do the same thing. I tell the members what coin I'm selling, what percentage I'm selling, what the hell am I doing with my profits. So the members don't have to think about anything. They can literally just be told exactly what I'm doing, and if they want to copy along, they can. There's no work required. They make the exact same profits I do, except I'm the one that's doing the 10, 15 hours of crypto research every day. So nice sort of payoff there. Now, if you've never been onto copymycrypto.com, pause this video now and go do that. What you'll see on the site are the things I've said in the past. You'll also see what happened after I said those things. You'll also see what the members have achieved since being on the site. Everything on the site, by the way, is public record. So it's all on the history of this channel. So you can go through the old videos on this channel and confirm absolutely everything you read. And then you can make a decision if it's for you. So go do that now before this video carries on. Now, Bitcoin Gold. Look at that long-term chart. It sucks. Now, granted, Bitcoin Gold, I will point out, launched end of October of 2017. Hit crazy heights, and obviously since then, nowhere close. I mean, in 2021, I think it hit a height of about $145. So hugely different. And it's worth noting, look, this is, same principle as Bitcoin. 21 million will be the supply. This is a fork of Bitcoin. So this was founded to become a user-friendly alternative to Bitcoin. The Bitcoin Gold network aims to combine security and sturdiness of Bitcoin plus the experimentation and development element that is akin to what we see within Ethereum. So Bitcoin Gold enhances and extends the crypto space with the blockchain very closely compatible with Bitcoin, but without using the resources like Bitcoin hash power or vying for the real Bitcoin title. Which, it's good. Well, it's worth pointing out because obviously we've got Bitcoin Cash and everything else under the sun. The company aims to present a coin with the implementation and capabilities of Bitcoin, however, expanding on the opportunities for DeFi and dApp developers to use the coin. The founder, one of the co-founders is Hang Yin, who is the co-founder and lead developer of Bitcoin Gold. He graduated with a degree in computer science from Fudan University, and he was a software engineer at Google. He then decided to venture into entrepreneurship by starting Bitcoin Gold. He also participated in the founding of Hash Forests. The other co-founder is Martin Kuvandziev, who is also a computer software engineer, graduating from the University of Sofia. his professional path started as a worker at McDonald's. He was then an assistant professor at the university he got his degree from. And he started working as a lead iOS developer at Fear.js before founding Bitcoin Gold in 2017. He also launched another company called GoStartups.net. Now, Bitcoin Gold, as of right now, although this video probably go out not exactly tomorrow, so the price might have consolidated by then, but it's up 44%, of between 38 and 40% across the day. Huge pump. So why is it surging? Well, there's a post here looking at it. So, it's had a very promising sort of 24 hours. And we have actually seen it just break through key resistance. It's now rallying pretty well, but it's something worth noting, which is there's a ton of unusual trading volume. So on Upbit, which is a popular crypto exchange, the average 50 4-hour volume was reported to be $271,000. However, the last recorded volume was a staggering 5 million, which is marking a change of nearly 1,600%. So this significant surge in trading volume is a clear indication of heightened market activity and investor interest in Bitcoin Gold. Contrastingly, on Binance, the average 50 4-hour volume was 29,000, while the last recorded volume was 19,000. So there's very odd trading volume here. It does feel and appear to be somewhat market manipulation. It's just very odd, and it's worth noting these things do happen in the crypto space quite regularly. Now, Bitcoin Gold, as of right now, I am very aware, they are looking to try and work their way into DeFi, but right now we're not really seeing the developments for Bitcoin Gold. Bitcoin Gold is more akin to a payment solution than it is anything else. It's on 75 exchanges. There's been $23.5 billion traded, 36.7 billion in total transactions, over 1 million on-chain transactions. This sort of tells you everything you need to know. When the first thing a website shows you is the exchanges, there's not a lot that it's offering. Those are the exchanges that it's on. So yes, on a lot. Although, let's just double check that. Though it did say Binance there, didn't it? It's not on Binance anymore. So again, it's kind of, I don't like that. That seems dodgy. They've not updated it. They're on swap services, so Change Now, Change Hero, Changely, Simple Swap, all of them. There's lots of wallets. There's a few services that it's involved in, but what else is there? Not really much. There's a few explorers. This is not a crypto that has made significant strides in development. Yes, it can be used for e-commerce, and that's what I mean. It's probably main thing is that it's a payment solution more than anything. And yeah, it's fast, yeah, it's cheap, zero fraud, no credit cards needed. You pay 0%, unlike with something like Stripe or PayPal. Your money is in your wallet very, very fast. There's a lot of positives, but overall, look, with regards to it being a crypto, there's nothing really here that's exciting, is there? And there's not been any significant developments. It's been up and running for 6 years nearly. 5.5 years, and all I can really tell you with regards to this is it's a payment solution that some people use. You can mine it. There's nothing special here. There's nothing special, but it has the Bitcoin name, and it is a fork of Bitcoin. So yeah, it's probably going to have a run. It's probably going to have a pump because it's attached to Bitcoin. But realistically, that is a long-term chart that looks dire. And I think this will probably still have a run. I think this will probably still hit $100. But I don't think it's going to do much more than that because there's not much more development. And look, if a business wants to accept Bitcoin as a payment solution, what are they going to accept? They're going to accept Bitcoin, which has a massive long-term uptrend. And the overall outlook of Bitcoin is it's going to hit 6 figures, possibly 7 figures in, a decade. Or are they going to accept Bitcoin Gold that's in a long-term downtrend and no one really knows about Bitcoin Gold beyond the specific crypto community? And I still think it will have a run. I still think it will run up to $100. I still think, that'll give it a market cap of 1.7 billion. But I don't think that's going to be off the back of the tech, off the back of the quality of the project, off the back of the developments of the project or the growth of it. I think it's going to be off the back of the fact that it's got a name attached to Bitcoin. There's not been any significant developments. No major company is taking this as a payment solution. So what is the attraction? I don't think there is one. Personally, not for me. It might not, some people might go, oh, I'd quite like Bitcoin Gold. Fair enough. That's not me. I don't see the attraction here. I don't see, and while I still think it will have gains and it may still do a 5x, there are better cryptos in the space. There are cryptos that have made far greater strides in the last 6 years that have far better price potentials than this particular crypto. But that's just my 2 Satoshis, let's say. So let me know what you guys think. If you're a Bitcoin Gold holder, why do you like it? Why are you still holding it? Do you believe it can run back up to $500? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you're a returning viewer that's never subscribed, hit the subscribe button. These videos go through a lot of information that you will value, so don't miss them. And if you're a new user or a new viewer, you're going to get info on this channel that you don't get in a lot of places, so hit the subscribe button and then you won't miss out. And last thing, guys, look, if you want to take the work out of your crypto investing, go over to copymycrypto.com. It's where I do all the work. I dive into the markets every single day. I find coins that are winners, like I did with Phantom, when no one else in all of crypto was talking about Phantom. I've recently shared 2 cryptos on my website. These are coins that I think have 100x potential. I run through exactly why with the members. I've added them to my portfolio. I'm probably going to add greater positions to them in the future as well. Like I said, copymycrypto.com is where I do all the work. I find coins that are winners, I get in on them, and I tell the members all about it, and they can choose to copy me and get in on them too. Make the same profits I do, except they do 0 work. And if that sounds good to you, and you've still not been on to copymycrypto.com, go onto the site now and actually have a look at it. See the videos on there. See the things I've said. See what ended up happening. See what the members have earned since being on the site. All of this you can verify. It's all on the history of this channel. And you can make a decision if this is something you want to try. Like I said, no work involved. Same profits as me. And if that sounds good, go take a look now. And I'll see you all soon. Take care. Bye-bye.